Abandoned quad bike. Amongst all this abandoned. Wow. Okay. What is all this? I haven't got. They feeding things. They drop the food down from there into there. And then I bet that would have gone to the floor.
That would have been some big chicken. Chicken farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got runs there as well.
So we're at an abandoned chicken farm by the looks of things. Oh yeah, look, that's where they'd run up. Yeah. Sick. Really?
You look how they go up through there.
Ah.
So that would have been the nesting areas. They would have nested, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
The eggs.
This man knows his shit on chickens.
I'm just guessing, you know what I mean? It just looks like the most obvious thing though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because why would they do like that? Because they couldn't put the eggs in the feed.
And they'd roll down, wouldn't they?
Yeah. I'm sure on the kids' programmes I've seen it like that. Or something like Teletubbies, isn't it? Oh, I know if there's a door here. Rain palace that big. There's little stairs there. There's two little doorways either side of this one that takes you up onto that.
Yeah, I saw that.
Down there, it's
Nothing.
nothing.
So we went all the way down there for nothing. So we're here today exploring an abandoned chicken farm by what we can find at the moment. An abandoned quad bike. Seems alright at the minute. Nice sunny afternoon. We're going up this way or that way? We'll go that way first and then... Hiya. Hello. So we've come across some abandoned stables as well. No, I don't know. Somebody up there, so I'm going to grab some pictures quick. Spits of hay, pallets. This is used, isn't it? Huh? Empty room. That's used. Yeah. But I don't think it is. Do you think it is? Whatever's in there sounds like it's alive. Huh? Pond. Wow. Look at that. Old bits of furniture, a bat just flew past. Old pulley system. Look at that. No, it's got smashed windows, bro. We're going in. Next door, so keep down. Just like we found in the bungalow as well. Sick. We know there's 2 farmers on site though. Yeah. Look at the decay on this wall, bro. How much decay in it is. Hoover. Hang on, bro. Ooh, welcome Christmas.
Neck number one.
Grab some pictures. Is it? Yeah. 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 Let's have a squat around that.
Or they had each room for farm help.
Yeah. See if I can get a picture of the outside. Free range eggs. Luckily nothing in that. So yeah, there's the egg cases. And someone just had to do it, didn't they? Why pay for weed? Well, somebody's got to pay to have it grown. Big old place. So this is where all the eggs would have been packed up and sold. Yeah. And we stumbled upon this as well. Oh, somebody's going to have to do it, isn't they? Mate, it's all boarded out. You could live up here. Looks like they'd have packed them in hay as well. Yeah, mate. It's like the oil tank. don't know.
Because there's no curtain.
What not? I don't know. Look at this in here, mate.
Another office, isn't it?
This is beautiful. What I want to know is that they dragged that trolley up them little stairs. So what do you think about that house? Should we check it out?
Right, is it?
No.
Don't get anything. It's hard to tell, but don't look like there's any curtains or shit in it.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know, look.
That ground floor window looks misted up.
I don't know, I don't want to risk it, yeah. It's very good condition if it ain't. Have a look round here. Hmm? Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks it, doesn't it? Round that way, wouldn't it? You didn't go in that big one over there. No. See, what would that have been? See, that would have been more pens, wouldn't it? Yeah. Oh, what's that? Cutting on. Cutting the edges. Mmm. What's that over there? Exactly.
But I don't know about that house, mate.
Oh, I know.
The driveway looked too overgrown for it to be driven up and down regularly.
Yeah.
And like I say, there was no curtains and some of the windows were missed.
We might have to try it, mate. At the end. Do you know what I mean? Oh, we found two homes by the looks of it.
This one.
Oh, hello. Huh?
That's standing at the 14th floor.
I know, innit? Oh yeah, it's that same one we tried it with.
Still got a fucking big bed with a mud in the middle.
It's kept maintained well if it is. It's kept maintained well if it is, the grass. I think if anyone comes, just run straight up there. We can't get through there. There's cameras on down there. Come on, this way. Literally chickens and apples. It's just round. Another one. A bad condition, man. Little engine. So we've got no history on this place whatsoever. We're just coming past loads of chicken sheds. We've come across a bungalow, a house that we can't get into because there's so much cameras on it. But it's just going on.
Up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again.